everyone. If the earth could speak today, what do you think it will ask from us? Look around us. The rivers are struggling, the forests are disappearing, the air we breathe is changing. Nakikita natin ang pagbabago at nararamdaman natin ang epekto nito. But hope is still alive. As a student and a young member of society, I may be just one person, but one person can start change. Sa simpleng paraan, maaari tayong maging bahagi ng solusyon. I choose to use reusable bags and bottles. I refuse to litter. I pick up trash when I see it. I speak up, I share awareness, and I join activities to protect our planet. Ginagawa ko ito dahil hindi madali, kundi dahil mahalaga. These are small actions, but small actions repeated every day can heal the world. Naniniwala ako na ang maliit na hakbang kapag pinagsama-sama ay nagiging malaking pagbabago. I dream of a future where nature thrives again, where rivers run clear, forests stand tall, and every child can breathe clean air without fear. Pangarap ko ang mundong malinis, ligtas at nasagana para sa susunod na henerasyon. The future is not a dream, it is a decision. Nasa ating mga kamay ang kinabukasan ng ating planeta. Start today, reduce waste, save energy, protect life, inspire others. Simulan natin ngayon, magbawas ng plastic, magtipid sa kuryente, magmalasakit sa kalikasan. Earth is not inherited from our ancestors, it is borrowed from our children. Hindi natin pag-aari ang mundo. Ito ay hiniram lamang natin sa susunod na salina. Let us not be remembered as a generation that watched, but as a generation that acted. Tayo ang henerasyong kikilos, tayo ang henerasyong mapoprotekta, tayo ang pag-asa ng ating planeta. Our planet, our home, our responsibility. The future is not something we wait for, it is something we create. Maraming salamat.